as your Yahoo Mail account is linked with Outlook. In this video, you can see how you can take backup of emails from Outlook. And if you are facing problem in connecting Yahoo Mail with Outlook, then check out my previous video whose link is available in the description. Now select the folder which you want to export. Now select the option as per your requirement. Now set the password for your backup file. Now the export part is over. Now you can check how you can import the same file to the Outlook. Now you have imported the same file which you have taken as a backup from Outlook to the Outlook.